of 2018, PILPG, at the request of the Department of State, undertook an unprecedented, large-scale, comprehensive human rights documentation investigation mission in the refugee camps and the settlement areas in eastern Bangladesh, entailing 1,024 interviews with Rohingya refugees. We provided a qualitative and a quantitative report to the Department of State. The factual findings of PILPG's investigation mission formed the basis for the State Department's recently released report on human rights violations against the Rohingya, titled Documentation of Atrocities in the Northern Rakhine State. Separately, and on its own accord, PILPG pulled together a team of international lawyers to assess this data to determine whether there was a reasonable basis to believe that the abuses perpetrated against the Rohingya by the Myanmar armed forces amounted to war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide. It is clear from our intense legal review that there is, in fact, a legal basis to conclude that the Rohingya were the victims of war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide. As such, we believe there is sufficient basis to bring international criminal proceedings against the perpetrators of this violence and recommend that the international community pursue legal accountability for the atrocity crimes committed in the Rakhine State against the Rohingya. Such an assessment is not to be made lightly and must be subject to appropriate scrutiny. To walk you through our investigative work in the field, the preparation of our qualitative and quantitative report, and our legal findings, we have assembled today members of our various teams who conducted this work.